Hey everyone, welcome to Birds of a Feather. If you're looking for the fastest and, by the way, non-toxic way to remove sticky labels from your glass, stay tuned for this quick video. This is method 1 for removing the sticky residue from the glass. You just apply the label back onto the glass and the stickiness from the label attracts the stickiness from the jar. Now this would work perfectly if it was just a small amount of residue, but this happens to be quite a bit. So here I'm applying some Method All-Purpose Cleaner. I've waited a minute. And as you can see, it softens the residue. I can literally just scrape it up with a nail. After using the Method All-Purpose Cleaner, as you can see, the glass is totally clear and free of any stickiness.